leggy beauty Deepika Padukone opted out of Race 2 after shooting for almost 6 days. And in turn, the producer of the film, Ramesh Taurani, filed a complaint with Cine and TV Artists Association against the actress, also threatening that Deepika has to do the film at any cost. The filmmaker said that he is facing such crisis for the first time, and he had expressed his anger to Zoom earlier as well.
बहुत ही निंदानायक है और definitely it's unethical, unprofessional. And no actor does that. मैंने इतने लोगों के साथ काम किया है लाइफ में. मैंने कतरीना के साथ काम किया, करिश्मा के साथ काम किया, करीना के साथ काम किया है, विद्या बालन के साथ काम किया, ऐश्वर्या राय के साथ काम किया. मेरे 28 साल के करियर में कभी ऐसा कोई भी ऐसा एक केस या एक कंप्लेन एसोसिएशन में नहीं है. कोई आर्टिस्ट से हमारा कोई डिस्प्यूट नहीं है.
And that's not all. Taurani also blamed Deepika for walking out of the film without giving any reason or explaining and leaving the matter to her manager. According to Ramesh Taurani, he tried to confront Deepika, but neither did she take his calls or return his messages. And that's not all. He also landed up at the sets of Cocktail to convince her, but seems like Deepika was just not ready to budge. Meanwhile, the Cine Artists Association tried to arrange a meeting between the filmmaker and Deepika, but even that turned out to be unsuccessful. Interestingly, Deepika said that she left the film due to frequent changes in the schedule which is affecting her other projects. But on the other hand, according to producer Ramesh Taurani, he had in fact made a lot of changes in the shooting dates only because of Deepika's other projects. But now as the matter seems to be spiraling out of control, we wonder who will blink first.
But even as Deepika is running away from the sequel of Race, she is going all out for her big-ticket South film and Rajinikanth starrer Kocha Daya. Details in our next story. Deepika Padukone will soon be seen with a complexion that is several shades darker, and all this only for her co-star Rajinikanth's sake. Well, yes, this decision was taken to increase the on-screen compatibility between Deepika and Rajini in their latest Tamil flick, Kocha Daya. Well, no wonder Deepika is so excited about the film that she is even ready to walk that extra mile. It is said that Deepika will be seen romancing Rajini in almost 3 songs in the film. And if it's about Rajinikanth, there's nothing that is impossible. Even his actresses are ready to bring about changes in themselves just for the film. Well, all we can say is seems like no one can say no to Rajini. After all, he's the boss.
It's been a while since actress Amisha Patel hit the headlines for something to do with career, but she's been in the news nevertheless, and recently for her alleged tiff with Sanjay Dutt. Well, for those who came in late, the story goes that Amisha Patel recently had a spat with Sanjay Dutt at the wedding of David Dhawan's son Rohit in Goa over the dress that she was wearing. Reportedly, Amisha had turned up in a particularly revealing outfit at the Sangeet ceremony, and it didn't go down well with Dutt, who considers her like his younger sister. But after his request to Amisha asking her to cover up went unheard, the actor went ahead and covered Amisha's bosom with the dupatta. But this left Amisha fuming. But now, Amisha has stepped ahead to clear the air. Well, according to her, there was no such tiff with Sanjay Dutt. In a telephonic chat with Zoom, Amisha clarified, and we quote, "This incident never happened at all. Sanju would never misbehave with me or any woman. Sanju has always given me standing instructions that he only likes me in decent Indian clothes. He even says that every time I go to his place, I should only wear a salwar kameez." But that's not all. Amisha also stated the reason for Sanju's return to Mumbai, says a defiant Amisha. The reason Sanju returned from Goa was because he was shooting for Zilla Ghaziabad. After he left, I was partying with Manyata. And to prove this, Amisha also put up a pic of hers with Sanju's baby on a social networking site, and at the same time also denied the news of Sanju refusing the films of her production. Says Amisha, "Sanju hasn't signed my movie because we are still at the scripting stage. If I offer Sanju a role, I have to justify it." And that's not all. Amisha even went on to say that there is someone who is not happy about her friendship with Sanjay. Some people are simply jealous about our friendship, hence they create such false stories. Manyata didn't even talk about this story. We messaged each other and laughed about all the rubbish written, says Amisha. Well, with so many clarifications coming from Amisha herself, we wonder what exactly happened that evening. From movies to TV commercials, the Khan war continues. Recently, Salman Khan was replaced by the King Khan as the brand ambassador for a product which featured the star saving his family from a difficult situation. Bollywood's Badshah Shah Rukh Khan has always maintained a family image, contrary to the bad boy of Bollywood, Salman Khan, who is notorious for his bachelorhood. But Salman's cool image cost him big bucks this time. The company in question had earlier decided to go with Salman and were to sign a deal of 6 crore rupees. But at the last moment, the company reportedly felt that a star who stands for family would be the right choice. And why not? After all, King Khan agreed to be the part of this family act at a discounted fee of 5 crores. It made not just the company happy, but Shah Rukh too looked delighted with the outcome of the ad.
I'm very glad that we've started this association.
Well, looks like this family man sure knows how to spread his magic. Not to mention, the family that shot with Shah Rukh for the commercial was also in awe of the Badshah's performance. Wonder what Vidya Balan is busy doing these days? Well, we'll tell you. She's busy cross-promoting a film while she is at a promotional event for some other film. Well, yes, you heard that right. Vidya recently reached Radio Mirchi for the promotion of her upcoming film Kahani, but looks like she was least interested in talking about the film. Rather, she seems super excited about her item number in Vidhu Vinod Chopra's much-awaited Ferrari Ki Sawari.
लावनी नहीं है, वो लावनी कोली मिक्स है. मिस्टर विनोद चोपड़ा ने मुझे फोन किया, वो मेरे मेंटर हैं. उन्होंने पूछा कि तुम करोगी, तो मैंने कहा बेशक. मैं एक्चुअली डांसर नहीं हूँ, पर उलाला के बाद अब सब चाहते हैं कि मैं नाचूं, और मुझे भी मजा आने लगा. तो आई एंजॉयड द एक्सपीरियंस. राजेश मापुस्कर जो डायरेक्टर हैं फरारी की सवारी के, वो एसोसिएट डायरेक्टर थे लगे रहो मुन्ना भाई में, तो उनके साथ पहले से ही एक बहुत अच्छा इक्वेशन है.
But as an afterthought perhaps, Vidya realized that she should be talking about Kahani. So here's Vidya telling us about all the fun she had on the sets of the film.
कहानी के प्रमोशंस की कहानी सुनाओ. बस इंटरव्यू किया मैंने कोलकाता स्टूडियो के साथ, स्टेशन के साथ भी एक लिंक किया. बंगाली में इंटरव्यू किया, थोड़ा बहुत जितना मैं बोल सकती हूँ उतना बोली. बस बहुत मजा आया. हमेशा यहाँ मजा ही आता है.
But even as Vidya was having fun on the sets, film's director Sujoy Ghosh had a hard time convincing Vidya for this film.
सुजॉय मेरे पास एक स्क्रिप्ट लेकर आए जो मुझे उतनी अच्छी नहीं लगी, तो फिर उन्होंने मुझसे कहा कि मैं तुम्हारे पास एक के बाद एक आइडियाज लेकर आऊंगा जब तक तुम हाँ नहीं करोगी. मैंने कहा हाँ, ये बहुत सुना है, आगे बढ़ो. पर वो एक्चुअली बहुत सारे आइडियाज मेरे पास लेकर आए, पर ये आइडिया मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग गया, और तुरंत मैंने कहा कि लेट्स यू डेवलप इट एंड वील सी. पर जब तक स्क्रिप्ट पूरी तरह से तैयार नहीं हुई थी, मैंने हामी नहीं भरी.
But the misery for poor Sujoy did not end here. Take a look as the film's lead heroine thought he was a frog.
वो मिस्टर बच्चन से मिलने आए थे, और पहले तो मैंने किसी को, मैं सीन में घुसी हुई थी, सडनली मैंने देखा कुछ फ्रॉक की तरह कुछ ऐसे, फिर मैंने देखा इंसान है. मैं बहुत दूर बैठी थी, फिर देखा सुजॉय घोष है. पर उनकी खासियत ये है कि ये मजाक करते करते वो सबसे काम करवाते हैं.
Well, Vidya, let's just hope that eventually your faith in the frog, oops, we meant the director, takes a successful leap.
कहते हैं जोड़ियां ऊपर से बन के आती हैं, पर जमीन में आकर कुछ ऐसे लोगों से मिल जाती है जिनकी महारत जोड़ी तोड़वाने में है. और आज हम ऐसे ही 2 लोगों के साथ बैठे हैं. बिपाशा, माधवन, वेलकम ऑन ज़ूम. हमारे शो पर एक कपल है, बड़ा क्यूट सा कपल है, प्यारा सा कपल है. इसके कॉलेज टाइम से दोनों साथ में हैं, रवि और नगमा. इनके कॉलेज में फ्रेंड्स ने काफी कोशिश कर ली, इन दोनों का कभी ब्रेकअप नहीं होता. सो आई थॉट सिंस यू गाइज आर जोड़ी ब्रेकर, सो आप लोगों को एक छोटा सा चैलेंज देके देखा जाए कितने अच्छे हैं अपने काम में.
बट एक क्वेश्चन है, उनको ब्रेकअप हम लोग करवाए क्यों? वो लोग अच्छे हैं ना एक दूसरे के लिए.
हम ये भी बता दें कि हम बहुत खतरनाक हैं.
Are you a child, little one? Hi.
Hi, Nagma.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Hi, how are you doing, Ravi? Sit down.
Comfortable?
No, you just fight. Okay?
Hi Ravi, hi Nagma, how are you all doing?
Good, very good.
Give them a tough fight.
No,
He won't let them.
हाँ, no, we're not here to separate you यार, क्या बात कर रहे
We don't separate people who don't want to be separated.
But they are really sweet.
हो?
Yeah, they're so sweet. He's like, not right, they're really sweet.
यार रवि तो बहुत नर्वस है यार.
He doesn't remember anything. That's what complaint. That's one complaint I have about
He forgets things. No, that's a very man thing.
होता है यार. वो क्या पिक्चर देखने का तो सब याद रखना जरूरी है क्या?
No, she has a little bit of a thing with him that he forgets everything and he's not expressive. So, yeah, you should be expressive.
And अभी इन्होंने आपके सामने जाहिर किया, हमारे सामने नहीं.
आपको भी लगता है मैं
ऐसा इमेजिन करके कि आपका मूड क्या है, वो कैसे समझेगी अगर आप
बाप
नहीं
बता,
बताएंगे तो?
तू तो सही बोलता हमारे सामने, लेकिन इनसे नहीं बोलता, मतलब क्या चक्कर है?
सर अभी आप भी मेरी साइड नहीं रहे.
नहीं, मैं तेरी साथ हूँ यार. मैं तो बोल रहा हूँ कि तू अच्छा खासा बोलता है, सही एक्सप्रेस कर रहा है, बिल्कुल क्लियर है. तो ये शिकायत क्यों है? इन्हीं के साथ तू कम रहता है, कम बोलता है क्या?
नहीं सर, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. इससे नहीं बोलूंगा तो किससे बोलूंगा?
वही तो मैं भी कह रहा हूँ.
मेरा एक एक्स बॉयफ्रेंड था.
कौन?
नहीं, वो नहीं बताएंगे आज टीवी पे. वो हर पिक्चर जो भी हम लोग देखने जाते थे, जो भी पिक्चर रिकॉर्ड है, जैसे ही पिक्चर शुरू हुई, goes to sleep. It used to be so irritating. और बाहर जाके कोई भी पूछा था कैसी पिक्चर है, फर्स्ट क्लास पिक्चर, सुपर हिट.
I hope he never saw any of my film.
I'm sure he did.
Ay.
Did he used to snore?
Thankfully no.
No,
Then the bye would be very fast.
हम मजाक कर रहे हैं. हम ऊपर आप जो है ये जोड़ी सलामत रखे. बहुत ही अच्छी कपल है आप लोगों की.
Yeah, very cute.
Very sweet, and I think you have already understood each other यार. Why should we separate a jodi like this? They're very happy यार.
We never separate happy jodis and good jodis. We like the jodi.
Your blessings.
हाँ, I'm sure. Hello, bolo.
Thank you, Mazen. Thank you, Pasha.
Thank you.
And thank you, Ravi.
We leave you with these interesting visuals of Isha Deol's sudden engagement. Take a look.
हमेशा मेरे से पूछते थे ना कि शादी कभी होगी, कौन लड़का होगा. I said when the time comes it will happen and I'll have a very handsome son-in-law. So I am very happy. He's such a lovely boy, very nice, and he's perfectly matching to Isha.